Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, February 8th, 2024. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm looking at the very nice Elliott wave scenario. This, of course, will be the main topic of our today's analysis. Let me just slightly upgrade and update this analysis. So what do we have here basically is the wave A to the downside. All right, so let me just zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit clearer. There you go. We got the wave A to the downside, and this wave is of course located at the lows of the let's say 35,484. So that's the wave A. Now we are doing the wave B. We are waiting for the wave C. We are waiting for the wave D. We are waiting for the wave E. And if this pattern is a corrective pattern in form of this, as you can see, kind of a triangle, then of course we should expect another wave to the upside, wave 5. So this is of course the schematics. It's not something that's supposed to be taken very seriously into the account. That's just the pattern schematics. That's just the pattern, basically how the pattern should looks like. This is just kind of a helpful visual aid for the potential corrective cycle. Now we got very nice movement to the upside. If we take a look here, we can see 1, 2. Let me just take my Elliott wave impulsive wave. So 1, yeah, correction, wave 2. Let's say we got the wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 to the upside. Yeah. So this is the 5-wave impulsive cycle. So let's say this is the wave A of a smaller degree. Now there is some sort of the consolidation or a pullback lower, and now we can continue higher. So this is a perfect zigzag, basically unfolding in front of your eyes. So what we want to do is to narrow a little bit the target projections for the wave B top, and let's just use this Fibonacci tool. So let me just play a little bit with it. Just a second. So what we need is of course the external lines, which is 146 and 127. We are going to reverse this line. Okay, that's fine, and this should be black. There you go. So okay, so what do we have here? Oh, one more we are missing. We are missing 0.61. Why? Let me just explain. 0.61 is the typical target for the wave B. So the targets for the wave B might be 41,782. This is the target. But the most popular one is, except the 61%, is 100%. Right now it's located at 43,649. So what it basically means is that the length of the wave, the last wave to the upside, is equal to the first wave of the overall correction, right? So that's exactly equal because it's 100%. Now, if we hit the level of 41,782 and then reverse, so we can say that this wave here can be, of course, only 61% of the length of the wave, the first wave during the correction, right? So internal cycle is exactly the same, A, B, and now we are in progress of the wave C. ABC creates wave B, then ABC creates wave C, ABC creates wave D, ABC creates wave E. But that's too easy because it can be any correction. The point is that it needs to have 3 waves or it be a triangle, right? So that's the situation here. So let me just adjust our triangle schematics. Remember, it's just a pattern, visual aid. It doesn't mean anything just yet. So let's say it will look like this. What's the problem with this? No problem whatsoever. And of course, in that situation, our wave 4 will be completed when the wave E is completed, and we are ready to another wave to the upside. However, for now, we are still developing the wave B. Targets are here. 100%, 61%. It depends on what is the situation with the internal wave progression. Now, let me just put some other indicators on the chart. So first one is of course the RSI, because we want to see whether the market is oversold or not, or overbought. As you can see, there is still a room to the upside. There is still a room. Let me just make it smaller. There's still a room towards the level of 70. There's still room to the upside, even towards 43,649, right? So that's the RSI. Now, let me just make this chart a little bit bigger, so we know everything about this chart, so we don't have to bother too much. Now, what we want is, of course, moving averages. So moving average cross, we are going to use our favorite one, which is 100 and which is 100 and 200 periods moving average. So, and as you can see, we are, let me just zoom out a little bit. There you go. We are way above 100. We are way above 200 periods moving average, which means everything is developing up to our analysis, according to our analysis, as anticipated, right? So the momentum keeps moving lower here, as we are narrowing the top of the wave 3, which was the biggest, the strongest, the fastest one, wave during the up move. Now this momentum needs to cool off, needs to go lower, because we are forming the corrective cycle in wave 4. When we are done with the corrective cycle in wave 4, wave 5 is looming. The wave 5 is looming, and the top for the wave 5 should be higher than the top for the wave 3, which is at 44,698. Okay, so this is the outlook for the Bitcoin to Euro. Everything is according to the plan. We're still waiting for the potential triangle pattern to unfold even more, and unfortunately this corrective cycle should take some time to unfold on the daily time frame chart. When it's done, uptrend should be resumed for last wave in the overall impulsive structure, wave 5. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.